How to change voice language in solo leveling Arise. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to change the voice language in solo leveling Arise to enjoy your favorite character in your preferred language, then this guide will show you the step-by-step process on how you can do that. First things first, launch Open Solo Leveling Arise on a device and wait for it to fully load to the main menu. Once you're inside a page which looks like this, go to the top right corner from the home screen and tap on the menu button. Once you open up this expanded menu, click on the gear button at the bottom right corner. Now, you'll end up in this options menu where you need to click on Language from the left-hand side menu. Under Language, tap on Voice Language. Now choose a different language you'd like to change for the voice in the game. Once selecting one of the voices, click on Apply at the bottom right. Now click on Confirm to confirm the new change. And soon after you do that, you will be able to change the voice language in Solo Leveling Arise. Some games require a quick restart to fully apply the new voice language, so go ahead and restart the game to hear the new voice setting. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.